Since its debut on the crypto market, Chainlink has attracted the attention of not only investors, but DeFi companies, blockchains, and big-name tech like Google. Its technology is set to solve some difficult barriers in the way of implementing smart contracts. A little background on Chainlink. It was created in 2014 by Sergey Nazarov, but officially launched on the Ethereum blockchain in 2019. At the time of writing, it's currently ranked at number 17 top cryptos, with a market cap right around $12.5 billion. Fortunately, Chainlink's technology is not only limited to Ethereum, but available for use on other blockchains as well. Chainlink is a decentralized blockchain oracle network that acts as a bridge gap between oracles and smart contracts. Oracles transfer data like market prices, financial date, and delivery confirmations from outside systems to a blockchain in a highly secure and reliable manner. The data received could then trigger a smart contract to be fulfilled, if all its requirements are met. But before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. So, moving on, Chainlink's native token, Link, is used to pay for services on the network itself. Back in September 2017, Chainlink's initial coin offering allowed investors to buy in at 11 cents a coin. A $1,000 investment back then would now be worth over $225,000. Investors are impressed with the multiple layers of security Chainlink provides that go above and beyond decentralization, so all users are able to trust the network's utilization. For example, Chainlink's flexible framework is intended for connecting oracles as well as constructing. Oracles on the network also sign all data with a personalized cryptographic signature. This allows for proof of origin to be reached at any given moment. All oracles have their performance history publicly available. This allows users to select oracles based on their specific needs, like response time, competition rate, and security deposit amounts. With its growing popularity, DeFi is one of Chainlink's main priorities. Many DeFi companies have already adopted the technology and currently use Chainlink. Its future consists of creating partnerships with big enterprises joining in on blockchain. Moving beyond DeFi, Chainlink seeks to enter in on the limited markets of gaming and insurance to differentiate functionality. Overall, Chainlink's Oracle network provides enormous value, enabling blockchain technology to reach its full potential. So what are your thoughts on Chainlink and its network technology? Do you own any Link tokens? Are you buying in and adding it to your portfolio? With any investment, it's best to do some research before you part with your money. The prices of cryptocurrencies are volatile and go up and down quickly. Just remember the most important rule: don't invest what you can't afford to lose. We'd love to hear from you, so let us know down below in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more future investor content. Thanks for watching.